Estimating labor templates. You've always been able to set up one estimating labor template that would allow all or selected items from that template to be imported into a bill item during the costing process. However, now it's possible to set up multiple templates that can match certain types of operations or criteria. For example, you might have one set for standard joinery items and then another set for upholstery type items. So to set these labor templates up, go to Department, Estimating, Standard Imports and Labor Template. Now you'll see during the upgrade process to this new feature, the existing labor template you had will have automatically been formed to give a reference code of 01DEF, and it's called default labor template. And these will be the items that were in that labor template. If you want to change those, simply just double click on that, and then you can either reorder them, you could remove them, or add a new item from within there. So that can all be changed, and then just click Save Finished. So to create another labor template, just go to the bottom and say Add New Template. Give it a reference code, so I'll just say this is RJS 001, and we'll say this is an example furnishing template. Correctly. And now we need to add the items in for that template. So all I do is click Add New Labor to Template. That will then bring up all the labor types in the library, and then I simply select the ones I want. So we'll just have upholstery and upholstery, and then click Item Selected. Then they'll go into the list, and then I just order them that I want to see them in the list simply by overtyping the 0. Click Save Finished, and now you'll see that labor templates in there. So that's the original one, that's the second one. If I've missed something out and want to add something, simply double click on it, add new labor. Let's just add a few more. I'm using the combination of the Control key and clicking, or the Shift key and clicking, and then just say Items Selected, in they go. If you bring things in you didn't want them, simply select them and click Remove Selected Items from the listing. It won't delete them from the library item, it's only removing it from this listing. So let's just tidy that listing up again. Other functions here, if I decide actually I don't want to call that RJS1, let's just save and finish. So we've got the reference code there. I'm thinking, okay, I want to call it something else. I could say it's UPH-002. So as soon as I hit the tab key, it will recode those items. Click Save, and now you've changed that to the relevant code. So that's all there is to setting up your labor templates. You can have as many as you want in there. If you want to remove a whole template, simply double click on it and click the Delete Entry. It says, are you sure you want to do it? Say, yes, I know what I'm doing, and that will go. So let's just set one up again. So Add New Template. We'll say it's RJS01. Let's say it's example furnishing template. Add some items. Order them. So item 1, item 2. Save Finished. And now let's see that in action. So if I open up a quotation, and go to my bill schedule of works and open up a bill item. Now, because I haven't got any labor, when I click the labor tab, it says, would I like to select the required labor from the template selection? If I don't, I just say cancel, and I can enter them in manually. Or I can then click here to add template. So you can see now we've got the template shown, and I just select the one I want. So let's say we want an item from the default template. Let's say we want some setting out, some edge banding, and some bench. Then we click use selected items, in they go. So if I want to use some items out of that upholstery template, simply click on the button there, click on the relevant template, select the items, use selected items, and in they go. And that's all there is to using your labour templates.